In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock PayPal transactions temporarily. This process is perfect when you want to pause new charges and subscriptions without closing your account. We'll do that by disconnecting your funding sources and reviewing your recurring payments, so nothing slips through while you're taking a break. Start by signing into your PayPal account on the web. On the dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. Open the section labeled Pay and Get Paid. Then choose Banks and Cards. This page lists any bank accounts and cards currently linked to your PayPal. If you don't see any, you're already set on this part. If you do, click one of the listed banks or cards to open its details. Scroll to the bottom and select Remove Bank or Remove Card. A confirmation screen will appear. Choose Remove this bank or remove this card to finalize it. Repeat this for every bank or card you have connected. Removing these funding sources prevents new payments from being pulled through PayPal while this lock is in place. Just remember, you won't be able to make new PayPal purchases until you reconnect them later. Next, let's stop recurring charges so nothing renews automatically. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click your profile icon. From the drop-down, select Account Settings. On the left side of the settings page, choose Website Payments. Find the section labeled My Automatic Payments, then click Update on the right. You'll now see a list of merchants and services that have active billing agreements with your PayPal. Open each one to review the details and cancel the agreement if PayPal provides the option. If a particular merchant can't be canceled directly in PayPal, head to that service's website or app and turn off the subscription from there. This step is crucial because even with no card attached, certain authorizations could still attempt to process if the agreement remains active. As you follow along, click exactly where you see the highlighted areas on screen to get to the right pages quickly. Take a moment to review everything before you finish. Every funding source removed and every automatic payment either cancelled in PayPal or disabled with the merchant. If you see any pending authorizations, keep in mind those may still complete depending on the merchant's policies. And that's it. By removing your banks and cards and cancelling automatic payments, you've effectively put a temporary lock on PayPal transactions. When you're ready to resume normal use, simply add your bank or card back and re-enable any subscriptions you still want. Thanks for watching, and take care.